With the interest in additive manufacturing as a true production technology, naturally those that wish to implement it think in subtractive terms. Now, subtractive manufacturing terms, of course, is simply a matter of a machine, but it's also support equipment around the machine, whether it's a chip conveyor, pick and place robotics, that sort of support equipment that we just come to associate with production equipment. I'm with Glenn Fletcher, he's president of EOS in North America. Glenn, we're standing in front of a classic EOS additive manufacturing machine, but in terms of switching to this form of production versus subtractive, this isn't the beginning or the end of the process, is it?
No, certainly not. This is really the center of the project. If we compare additive manufacturing to subtractive manufacturing, then everything's available for subtractive manufacturing. There is an infrastructure in place, there is an ecosystem in place. So as you said, you need programming support, or you need supplementary equipment, chip conveyors, tooling, tool holders. It's a really simple process. You go to a website, you do a little searching on the internet, and those resources are freely available. They all work perfectly well. With additive, that ecosystem is evolving. That ecosystem is in the process of being created. So here at EOS, we like to think that we have leading edge technology. We like to think that we're able to provide our customers with the technology in additive manufacturing that will make them successful, but it won't be alone. We have created organizations within our organization that are dedicated to not only providing the technical support, but also providing the insights and infrastructure that are necessary to make the most of the equipment. Because the last thing that we want, and the last thing that this industry needs, is for our customers, or any of our customers, whether they are ours or our competitors, to be disappointed in the performance of the equipment. So we're very, very conscious of building up an infrastructure that provides those customers with all of the necessary expertise, as well as access to those other parts, peripheral equipment that are necessary to make the most of the equipment. Technology side, but I think beyond that, I think it's more important with regards to the expertise side. So we have two groups within the company. One group we describe as additive minds, and that's a group of very highly skilled application engineers who can come into our customers' facilities and identify those parts that are the perfect candidate for additive manufacturing, those parts that can be produced more effectively with additive manufacturing, those parts that can be designed differently to make the most of the characteristics of additive manufacturing, and provide a service to those customers, provides them with a basis to make good decisions, a basis to know how to apply the technology in a way that is going to be most successful. So that's our Additive Minds group. And then aftermarket, we have a group called our Life Cycle Solutions group, because these systems are not in production simply for a year or two. They're going to be in production for a number of years. And we want to make sure that through that process, we're able to provide our customers with a support structure that allows them to continue to get the most and to evolve with the technology. So our Life Cycle Solutions group are able to offer distinct and unique solutions for our customers with regards to the long-term viability of the product.
Glenn, for a manufacturer moving from prototyping into true production, the production world, is there a single pitfall or single error that you can think of that is commonly made which could be avoided with careful planning?
The thing that probably catches most people out is that they perhaps underestimate the learning curve. And there is, with additive manufacturing, still a fairly significant learning curve. And again, that's one of the reasons that we've built this infrastructure, because we believe that for additive manufacturing to be really, to make, let's say, the move from rapid prototyping to move from simply engaging the innovators and early adopters, but into the mainstream, then we want to ensure that our customers are as successful as they can be, as quickly as they can be. So we don't want to leave them alone. We want to participate in that learning curve. We want to provide them with the support structure, the expertise, the ecosystem that is necessary to allow them to go from installation to really making money, and that's what it's all about at the end of the day with this equipment.
Think about the entire production process when implementing additive manufacturing for mass production, says Glenn Fletcher of EOS.